What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to my garage. Well, today I'm gonna start preparing the front to get repaired. What I did in the meantime, off camera, I painted the back side of the car. So nothing happened. As you can see, it's nice again. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm short a little bit of red paint, so I'm gonna drive to the store, quickly grab some of that red paint, drive right back and dive into preparing the new front bumper. So I was very lucky. I was able to pick up the very last can of paint, of the paint I need in the store. So I can go on and work on that bumper today. I really want to get it ready, but I cannot get it mounted yet because the insurance company still has to come over and make notice of the damage I took in the front. But when the bumper's ready and the insurance company has come, I don't waste any time on that part and can immediately mount a new bumper, and that will make the car look a lot cleaner very fast. But now onto the garage. So I just got back from the store, quick change of clothes so I can get down and dirty. First, now the car is out, I'm gonna grab a broom, quickly go around the garage because, it's still full of dust in here from the sanding I did. Wanna start a little bit cleaner, and then I'm gonna try and get the bumper off. It's way up there in the back, behind the white stuff and the sub boxes. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Quickly grab the brush and they are gonna kinda see me dancing around on my other car, but gotta do what I gotta do and get the bumper off. Got the garage kinda clean. At least most of the dust is gone. Set up my little whatchamacallit, and now onto that part. As you can see, there's a back bumper and there's two front bumpers laying back there. So I'm gonna try to reach them, and I cannot quite remember how I put them on there. So it's gonna be a little bit of a challenge. So I'm gonna crawl up this car. This one bent. It's a DB drag car, so it's not the worst, and I don't mind too much about the exterior of the car, so I'm just gonna stand on top of it. So sorry for that. So let me get up there. Move these a little, and I still can't quite see anything. I know the bumpers are there, but reaching it will be the hard part. So I'm gonna set you guys aside and join along on the adventure of me trying to get to the bumpers.
All the good girls you take out for dinner, but all the bad girls you take out for liquor. All the good girls, they don't pull the trigger, but all the bad girls, they pull it much quicker. It's never too late to get down and party, switching from good to bad, cause you're naughty. Feel it inside, oh inside your body, let it come out with shots of Bacardi. Just let your body go, we'll take it nice and slow.
So I was able to get the bumper down. wasn't easy, as you could see. This is actually my first US bumper I ever bought, and well, it had a small problem over here. This can be fixed. Gonna fill this in, but getting it down, I noticed something, and that was a small little crack here. And well, I already kind of took a screwdriver ready to see what it was all about, and well, it looks like the bumper has a really nasty crack. They patched it up pretty good, only this is a bit loose, and well, this one they didn't get. So I'm gonna take some 2-component glue to fill these cracks up a little bit more, make sure this is nice and sturdy. And well, since the shape of the bumper is still there, I think it's salvageable without too much hassle. So I'm gonna use this bumper and not get the other one off. That's stored away really nicely, and I want to keep it there, and that's still a bumper in really good shape, so I kind of want to keep it in that condition. So I think for me the best choice is to go ahead and use this bumper, and well, let's glue it back together. Well, this is all drying. I have one more thing I know I've got to do, and that is, in order to fit my VR6 front lip, I need to cut away this part. Just when you see the slide angle, when I cut away the whole angle, the lip is gonna fit no problem. So while waiting for stuff to dry, I can already prepare for that.
Just let your mind be free and come in close. All the good girls, they go to heaven, but the bad girls, they get backstage. Oh, the good girls, they go to heaven, but the bad girls, they get backstage. Oh, the good girls, they go to heaven, but the bad girls, they get backstage. Oh, the good girls, they go to heaven, but the bad girls, they get backstage. Oh, the good girls, they go to heaven, but the bad girls, they get backstage. Oh, the good girls, they go to heaven, but the bad girls, they get backstage. All the good girls, they act like beginners. All the bad girls, they know that they're sinners. All the good girls are really good kissers, but all the bad girls are really good strippers. Baby, don't slow it down, let's keep going. I think that you and I should lose clothing. I think that all good girls just need coaching. So let me show you how, let's get on it. Just let your body go, we'll take it nice and slow. Just let your mind be free and come in close. All the good girls, they go to heaven.
I've gotten the bumper prepared as far as I could. Cut everything off that I think I needed to cut off. It's been a while since, but everything that was angled I've taken off, and I think that's how I did it with the other bumper. I can't remember that I took something off here. I don't think it really matters that I took it off. Well, if it did matter or does matter, I think I can still fix it so the front lip is still nicely mounted. But that's something only time will tell when I mount this bumper. For now, I still gotta wait a little bit for the glue to harden out.
A few moments later.
Alright you guys, it's been a while since. I was working on one of my neighbors' little scooter with a 50cc engine. Had some problems with it with the cold weather outside, so while I was waiting for all the glue to harden nicely, I worked on that. Now I already went ahead and sanded a little bit of it, so I can dive straight into the putty. Everything is nice and firm now. This one had to be addressed, as well as this one, and inside the crack I also laid a bit of glue, just to strengthen it a little bit more. Here I had some mounting holes from the plates that were once mounted on the front bumper. I also did a bit of glue in there, just to have a nice and firm underground, and then some putty will go over that. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna lay some putty, and well, then we're getting back to sanding once again. So this all can dry now. Filled it in nicely. Maybe a little bit too much. As you know, I like to overfill everything a little bit. Gives me a bit of extra work when sanding, but I can really get the shape nice and how I want it, and well, in this case, how it needs to be. So let's wait a few minutes and then we can get to sanding. Already on my second round of putty, had a few low spots, still, well, only in two places. Here I had a low spot, and this was one big low spot. So put some more putty on there, let it harden, and sand it a little more. This one is fine, these holes, perfectly the first time. You guys must really think I like sanding and doing this bodywork. Well, I don't really, but I gotta do it, and I did so much of it. I'm starting to become pretty good at it, but it still takes a long time because drying, sanding, well, things don't go that fast. But yeah, let's skip forward to the sanding.
But the bad girls, they get backstage. Oh, the good girls, they go to heaven. But the bad girls, they get backstage. Oh, the good girls, they go to heaven. But the bad girls, they get backstage. Oh, the good girls, they go to heaven. But the
You kinda already knew the drill from, well, the start of my rebuild series, when I was doing the backside of the Golf. I will link the playlist up here, so you can go look at that if you need and want to. Well, I was done with the filler, so then I went ahead and did some of the fine putty, the finisher putty. It's white putty. I did it, but didn't get anything of it on film. I just went ahead and just swept it through. Dries really quick, so it's really quick to work with, and I just wanted to get it done and be able to start respraying the bumper right now, so it still has a bit of time to dry before it's time to get the car back in. So let's go and do that right now.
girls, they go to heaven. But the bad girls, they get backstage. All the good girls, they go to heaven. But the bad girls, they get backstage. All the good girls, they. But the bad girls, they.
Got this thing fully sprayed, it's looking good. So I'm gonna let it sit and dry for now. Well, coverage for one layer was really good, so I don't think I need a second one. Well, either way, if it needs a second one, it still needs to dry, so I'm gonna let this sit, and I think I'm gonna be ending the video right here, because this needs to dry, maybe get the next coat, but I still cannot install it, because, well, and I think it's because it's around the Christmas New Year's period it's taking so long for the insurance to come by, take note of the damage to the car, and well, I'm still waiting on that. So I'm gonna put this thing aside, and well, guys, I hope you have great New Year's Eve plans and a great New Year's Day the day after. And I don't know when I'm coming back with a new video. Probably I'm gonna try, well, on Thursday, but I'm not sure if that's doable, but we'll see. Hope I can make it, maybe not, and the next video will be on Monday. But as always, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to leave a like, drop a comment down below on what you think of this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel to see all of my next videos. For now, guys, I'll see you in the next one. I'm out.